Hello everyone, it's our day 4 in Tasmania. We're starting the day early because we're heading to Bruny Island. Let's go! Bruny Island is just a 35-minute drive from Hobart, plus a 20-minute ferry ride. Easy for a day trip. The ferry runs every 20 minutes and costs around $53 for a return ticket. We went early and purchased the tickets on the day itself. This is Bruny's most iconic spot, the Neck Lookout. From here, you get the best view of the North and South Islands. There's a short climb when heading to the top, but the view was definitely worth it. We also checked out the beach right at the bottom of the lookout. The view was also amazing. Next stop is the bread fridge. The idea is simple. Fresh sourdough loaves, baked by a local family, left here daily for anyone passing by. You just leave some cash in the honesty box or pay via bank transfer and take home a loaf. We grabbed some breakfast at the Lunawanna Cafe. It was still quite early when we arrived at the island, so these are one of the few places that were open. We ordered a coffee and a hot chocolate. FJ ordered a ham and cheese sandwich, while I ordered a beef pie. We've made it all the way to the southern tip of Bruny Island, the Cape Bruny Lighthouse. The scenery was incredible. This historic landmark has been guiding ships since 1838, making it one of the oldest lighthouses in Australia. The Cape Bruny Lighthouse is a must-visit in Bruny Island. History, incredible scenery, and that classic Tasmanian wild coastline. We also had a quick stop at the Parker's Beach. It's a beautiful white sand beach tucked away before the Adventure Bay Beach. Our next stop is one of the sweetest places on Bruny Island honey. They've been keeping bees here for over 20 years, producing some of the purest honey you'll ever taste. You'll find different types of honey and even honey skincare products. I've never seen so much honey in my life. We tried everything before buying. We loved their honey because it tasted nothing like the supermarket honey. We also enjoyed a honey ice cream, which is a must try. Our next stop is the Bruny Island cheese. There were also different types of cheese which you can also try before buying. We bought the C2 cheese because the others are on the creamier side. Saving the best for last, we went to get Shucked Oysters. This spot is famous for serving up some of the freshest oysters you'll ever taste. They've got them natural, with lemon, or with toppings like Kilpatrick or Asian style. Their oysters are one of the best that we've ever tried. To order another plate of oysters because it's that good. What an amazing day on Bruny Island. Stunning nature, delicious food, and unforgettable views. If you're visiting Tasmania, this trip is a must-do. Thanks for watching Bruny Island Adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite part of Bruny Island.